Live from Xenia, Ohio, it's Dayton Hamvention. Second stop on the second annual HamShackTV HamFest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Stick around. Welcome back to the channel, AA4WX here, HamShackTV. Thank you for tuning in. We are here at Dayton, Ohio Xenia, Ohio for Dayton Hamvention, and I wanted to show you all the EMCOMM vehicle display they've got here. They've got several of them out here, so let's take a look. WB8LYJ, 6-meter kilowatt amp. FT8. See some KMRD stickers up there. Throw in one in here. There you go.
Hi.
Hey.
Sure.
All right. Yeah, I just put one in there for you.
I've watched your YouTube a couple times.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate.
I'm just trying to figure out. I smelled something like it was burning.
Uh-oh. That's never good.
I kind of investigated, and I don't really see anything the matter. So cranking away on 222, about 900 watts.
Ah.
And the only thing I could see is maybe the cable, the output cable on the amp might have been a little loose.
Oh, okay.
Because it's getting warm.
Yeah, probably. Have a good one. And we're getting back into the rain here.
Thanks very much.
Yep. Lost Nation Radio.
Wasn't me.
Old television
I'm
truck.
on 5-2, but I haven't talked to anybody yet today. How are you?
Good, you all right?
Pretty good. Wish the rain would go away.
I know. We got a little break though.
Yep.
Oh, and this time it seems like it's going to be heavier.
I think it's gonna die off here in an hour. Looking at the radar.
You know, though, this may lead to a better Sunday, because usually Sunday's dead around
Yeah,
here.
so more people come Sunday.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
Yep.
Nice setup.
Thank you.
Like it. Got Saturn here.
Hey, no pictures.
That one is closed up. Another old television microwave truck. West Georgia.
5 spaces in the campground.
Okay.
So we'll have this out there, and then
Coast Guard over there. Not got a setup, but they're here nonetheless. Feeble Amateur Radio Association. Eaton, Ohio. This is another WA8 LMF. This is cool. This thing's cool. I actually kind of would like one of these. Nice setup. Not necessarily for radio operations, just to have as a camp. Shelby County Aries here.
My wife complains that on the other side we're having
Alright, that's some of the EMCOMM trucks live here from Dayton. See you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSEB 693.